gonna do another unboxing. Got this package from Adams. I purchased the mystery bucket that they had going, I don't know, a week or two ago. It took a little while for the package to get here. Kind of almost forgot about it. But yeah, so we're gonna open it up, see what we got. I already cut the sides just to make this easier. So, oh, sweet. Came with a Gamma Seal, so this is a bucket. It's gonna be kind of hard to get this out. There we go. Very nice. Comes in a bucket, so it doesn't even need any packing materials or anything. Nothing else in there. We'll get that out of the way. So it's a 3.5 gallon bucket. Came with a Gamma Seal, so that's pretty cool. That's like a upgrade. So what they do with the mystery buckets or mystery boxes or whatever is basically you pay a certain amount of money and it's a mystery of what kind of products you're going to get in your package. But they always give you significantly more worth of products than the price you paid. So this was like $70 and you're guaranteed at least $100 worth of products, I believe it was. Usually it ends up being more. So we'll see what we get. I mean, that $100 or that $70 price includes the price of the bucket, which is probably $10-15. And then so, you're spending basically $55 for, however much in products. This Gamma Seal, like I said, this is an upgrade. That's pretty cool. It's not guaranteed to come with that. I've never used one of those before. Seals in water and anything else you got in there. So, pretty cool. Let's see what we got. I think some packages came with some fancy stuff. All right, so we have changed locations. And I have enlisted an unboxing helper. So we're gonna see what we got in the mystery bucket. Come here, bud. Come here. Nope, come around over here. This is going well. Come here, buddy. All right, let's see. Let's see what's in the bucket. Yeah, what do we got? What's the first thing? What's the first thing? What's this one? What's this one? Look. What is that? Yeah. We got some wash and wax. So very cool. See some more goodies in there. Let's see. Guys, what's this one? Look. What's this one? Oh, no, you can't. Here, can you put it down over here? Okay. We got Echo All-Purpose Cleaner. Spray nozzle. There you go. That's a better position. Tice, what's this one? Here, can you put this down? We got a spray nozzle. Can you take it? Here, take it. Take it. Put it down here. Down here. Good job. Okay, what else we got? Come here. Let's see. What's this here? What's this? Let me see. Looks like leather conditioner. All right, sweet. So we got some leather conditioner. That'll be cool. Let's see how that is. And what else we got, buddy? And looks like some wheel cleaner. Very cool. This is what I use for cleaning wheels, so that's awesome. What else you see in there, bud? Nice. Here, what's this? We got their edgeless utility towel. Those are sweet. I really like these. It's a cool weave. I don't know what they call that, but it's pretty cool. It's 2 of those towels, so that's good. What else we got, bud? Oh, we got another helper. Coming to check it out. Titus, what else we got? Come here. What's this one? Come here. I think he's losing interest. Okay, here we are again. Our unboxing partners decided to bail on us, so we're gonna head back to the table here. So there's what we got so far. We got leather conditioner, wash and wax, Echo all-purpose cleaner, wheel cleaner. Stuff is awesome. Wheel cleaner. Echo all-purpose cleaner is pretty good. I've been using that a little bit. I got a bottle of that from a package a month or so ago. So it was pretty good. Excited to try out the leather conditioner, and then of course the edgeless utility 2-pack of towels. Those are really good utility towels. So let's see what else we got in here. We've got the 10-inch car wash pad. Very cool. I know a lot of people like these. I'll be interested to try that out. Not sure. I assume it's probably like a wool or maybe like a synthetic wool or something. Not really sure on the details of that. Very cool. We got some applicator pads. Very cool. Microfiber, probably to help go with the leather conditioner. So those would be good to have. It actually looks like it's the same, similar material as their utility towels. All right, I don't know what this is. Ah, cool. All right, leather cleaner, leather and interior cleaner. So that'll be good. That'll be good. Pair that with the conditioner. Nozzle, and I'm seeing a goodie in here. Ceramic Boost. So it's kind of their version of CarPro's Reload or Geon Cure. I believe it's pretty similar to that. I'm pretty excited about that. That's a pretty expensive product, I think. So very cool. I'll be glad to try that on some of the coated cars that come back to me for a maintenance wash and that sort of thing. And of course mine, so that'll be good. And what else we got in here? Big old sticker. Sweet. That's awesome. So that's a big sticker. Put that on a bucket or something probably. Very cool. And a couple mints. American flag mints. Awesome. So there we have it. A pretty good little haul. Not bad for $70. So thank you, Adams. All empty. It's good stuff. See you later.